Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Salesforce. In this video, we are going to discuss why Salesforce is so popular, what is the need of Salesforce in today's world, how it all began. To understand this, let's go back in time. Not in the Jurassic period though, a little further. Our ancestors used to write information on tree leaves and stuff. After Gutenberg printing press, we started to write it all down and paperwork began. All the paperwork then moved to Excel sheets or other kinds of documents to store companies' data. But this approach was very time consuming and inefficient while handling such a large volume of data. So, a requirement arises how to effectively handle large amount of user data. Then CRM came into the picture. CRM is Customer Relationship Management, and it was introduced to solve this problem. But these CRMs were hosted on company's own server. Every other company was hosting their own CRM solution on their own servers. Cost was so high and it was so time consuming. Imagine every other company was designing their own CRMs. The solution of this problem was building an easy, affordable CRM solution which can be uniform for all and easily available. It can be done through cloud computing, and this was the main idea behind Salesforce. Salesforce provides the fastest route from an idea to an application in easy steps. It is a cloud, so anyone can use it anytime from anywhere. The best thing about Salesforce is that it is based on a multi-tenant architecture. All the users using the same technology, and users don't have to worry about the infrastructure or server cost. All the upgrades will happen automatically. So that's all for this video. We'll learn more about Salesforce in further videos. Keep watching. Thank you.